Bye.
This is me, getting a 7-figure salary in a US-based AI native software firm just after my graduation. But 1 year before, I couldn't have ever dreamed of this opportunity. Hi, my name is Wait. Let me give my introduction at the end. First, let's talk about the exciting things. Most students think getting job as a fresher in the AI field is the hardest thing ever, but I don't think so. I wasn't a topper, I wasn't a perfect student. I felt so many students were ahead of me in my college. But suddenly, I became the perfect student and cracked an AI engineer job as a fresher in a California-based company. How? Watch till the end. I will give you exact 4-step playbook I used. Step 1. Build skills that you can explain out loud under pressure. In my first year, I had only one technical skill, that is Python. That's it. No DSA, no AI, no idea how to build a full stack real project. And I made a decision. I wasn't going to wait till final year of college to fix that. So I joined NxtWave Academy. And the first thing that hit me was, it wasn't just watching videos and feeling productive. I did all the things on hands-on basis, from basics to advanced. Coding problems every day, real projects, structured roadmap. And by the time I came to final year, I could walk into any interview room and brief every line of my project because I had actually built it. Step 2. Consistency beats motivation every time. I will be honest with you guys, I wasn't charged up every single day. Some days I sat down and genuinely did not feel like doing anything, but I had made one rule of myself. Never break the streak, show up every day, even on bad days, even for at least 30 minutes. There were a lot of failure moments where I thought, is this even working? But I just keep moving. That's the whole secret. The people who crack AML jobs are not always the smartest in the room. They are the ones who showed up every day when others stopped. Step 3. Prepare how interviews work, not just what they ask. Most students prepare topics. They go through DSA, Gen AI, Python, etc. But the interview round, that's a different skill. Let me tell you what happened in my Nablon AI round 2. The interviewer pulled up my project and asked, why did you make this design decision? What would you change if you rebuild this from scratch? He wasn't testing what I knew. He was testing how I think. Round 3 was HR round. It was smooth. I was genuinely excited, and that excitement, you can't fake it. The interviewers can feel that too. So, practice how interviews work, not just what they cover. And last, step 4. Chase the role that excites you. The brand will follow. You know, I got placement through campus as well. It was a renowned company. Still, I said no. Because Nablon AI is an AI native firm. And AI engineering was my dream role, not just a job. The actual field I wanted to be in. And right now, wait, let me flex a bit what I am actually doing there. We are building something called Market Signal Radar. Earlier, humans used to do all of these things manually. Now AI does it. My job is building that AI, web scraping, pipeline fixing, reasoning modules, and evaluating the systems. And it gave me immense pleasure because when you are working on something you actually care about, you push harder, you learn faster. So don't just chase the brand. Chase the role that excites you. So, in a nutshell, 4 steps. Build real skills, stay consistent, prepare for real interviews, chase the right role. My name is Yaswanth Sai, a NxtWave Academy learner. I belong to Andhra Pradesh and I was not a topper. Still, I cracked an AI engineer role at California-based company just after my graduation. Thank you, NxtWave Academy. The path is already there. You just have to walk it.